gonna show you guys how I make my balloon garlands. The first thing that you're gonna need is this balloon pump. This will make your life so much easier. You can blow up 2 balloons at once. And then I just get cheap, regular Amazon balloons. I get a balloon garland kit that I like that has good reviews, and that is what I order. I don't stick to a specific brand or anything. This all came in 2 different kits. I got a regular balloon garland kit, and then I also got a set of 5-inch balloons that match. And lastly, you're gonna need some 260 balloons. They're like balloon animal balloons. Let me preface this by saying I'm not a professional whatsoever. I make these for my kids' birthday parties, and that's it. This is just a method that I have found the easiest and works best for me. I usually make these about a week in advance. Make sure that you remove your rings. That is the reason that my balloons pop when I'm tying them together, is if I forget my rings. Now that you have your 2 balloons, go ahead and push them against you and just let a little bit of air out. This helps just give a rounder shape. And now we're gonna tie them together. You're just doing a basic double knot. Now that you have all of these doubles, you're gonna make a quad. So all you're gonna do is take one from behind and literally push them together. That's it. If you want them to be a little bit tighter, you can twist them at this point. I don't really find that necessary, but you can. Go ahead and do that to the rest of your balloons, and then we'll go to the next step. Now you're gonna get your 260 balloons, and we're gonna make a little bracelet out of it. You're just gonna make a little double knot. Really super simple. You can also use rubber bands, but I prefer this method. I like how it feels. It feels a little bit more sturdy. You can also reuse these, but it should look like that. I like to keep them around my wrist because it goes a little bit quicker. Now you're gonna get those quads that you just made. Get any of the balloons that are on the quad. It does not matter which balloon. Put your bracelet around it so it goes like this. And then you're going to connect it to another quad. In this case, I want to match my colors, so I'm going to connect it to this one. Again, any balloon. It does not matter which balloon on your other quad that you're attaching it to. And then it should look like this. So all you're going to do is you're going to keep just building on top of this and keep connecting them. To attach it to a wall, you're just going to get one of those bracelets that you made and put it on a command strip, and then you can put any balloon through this. I like to put one on each side of the wall and then one near the bottoms of your balloon garland, just to keep everything secure. But I am not actually going to attach it to a wall today. Now to attach it to an arch, I'm just going to use one of these clips, and it's going to attach to that bracelet balloon and clip straight onto the arch, but I'll show you what it looks like. The purple line right here is the balloon bracelet, and the pink down there is my arch. I'm going to take my clip, make sure that my balloon bracelet is in there, and attach it right on. I used 3 clips. I used one towards the bottom, top, middle, and then on the side. Now we're gonna make our little quads. These add so much texture and really, in my opinion, just really pull the whole arch together and make it look so polished. Little quads are made the exact same way, so you're gonna take your 2 little doubles, push one from behind, and you have a quad. Now you're gonna take one of your 260 balloons and tie it around any one of the balloons in your little quad. It should look like this, and then I'm gonna take another quad and tie it around one of the balloons on that quad, and it should look like this. Now you're gonna look for areas with holes like this too, where you can see that 260 balloon. We're gonna use our mini quads right there. So you're literally gonna take this and just weave it around, and now the hole is not there. Here she is all finished. They normally take me about an hour, but they're so quick and easy.